Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Ko-Fi in 2026. So if you want to earn donations, sell digital products, or build a small support page online, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, go to Ko-Fi and sign up using your email, Google, or social account. Once inside, set up your profile. Add your name, profile picture, and a short description about what you do. Now choose what you want to use Ko-Fi for: donations, commissions, or selling products. You can even combine all of them. Next, connect your PayPal or Stripe account so you can actually receive payments. Now customize your Ko-Fi page. Add your banner, social links, and a simple welcome message for visitors. You can set up a Buy Me a Coffee button, monthly memberships, or even donation goals to motivate supporters. If you want, you can also upload digital products like ebooks, presets, or templates to your Ko-Fi shop. Now share your Ko-Fi link on YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere your audience is active. This is where traffic comes from. Inside your dashboard, you can track donations, sales, and membership income in real time. So that's how to use Ko-Fi in 2026. Once everything is set up, it becomes a simple way to earn support from your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.